To replace the battery, notice here it has one tab right there and then one tab on the other end. So what we will do is press both of these tabs at once and then pull the key outwards. So there's that key taken out. Now coming back to the same key, make sure that these buttons are facing towards yourself, and then we press and hold these two tabs on top again. This time I'll be using a tool like this, and what I'll do is that I'll slightly punch it in to this spot and push it upwards. There you go. We slide it outwards, and there is that key for the remote. We take it out. Now keep in mind it's CR2032 that's supposed to go in this remote. Now suppose you have a new battery and you want to install it back. You make sure where you see plus behind the battery, it goes on the bottom side. So just like that. We punch it in back. Once you've installed the battery, you flip this cover, and just like this, you're going to put it back and slide it in. Once this is in, make sure you are pressing these two tabs and then slide it in down all the way till the end. There you go. So the key is you have to press these two tabs and then slide it in downwards. Otherwise, this is not going to go in. We've got the new battery installed. Now we will go ahead and slide in the key. Just like that. That is how you replace the battery for the remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.